Welcome to the world of OLIDENT professional dental materials. You will find out what makes OLIDENT products special, how to use them, and how they can change your everyday work. OliFill LC is a light-curing composite material for temporary inlay restorations which remains flexible after polymerization. OliFill LC works perfectly as temporary inlay restoration, temporary obturation or closure of a cavity, especially in endodontics, temporary closure of an implant canal. OliFill LC is an extremely convenient composite material which does not require the application of any additional auxiliary materials. It closes a cavity tightly, releases fluoride into surrounding tissues, and is insoluble in water. After polymerization, OliFill LC remains flexible so that its removal is easy and quick, even when small undercuts are present. The cavity walls remain intact, eliminating the need to clean up material residues. The OliFill LC packaging contains a 4 ml syringe with the material. An appropriate amount of OliFill LC needs to be placed in a cleaned and dried cavity and then shaped. Cavities with a depth of up to 5 mm can be filled completely. Cure with light for 40 seconds. The filling must be carried out in accordance with the standard procedure. A hard diamond-coated brush can be used to polish the surface. In order to remove the filling, simply stick an instrument into it at an angle and then remove with the filling. Any residue can be cleaned with a brush or rubber burr. OliFill LC is primarily a very convenient temporary material. Simple application and easy removal from the cavity are its most important advantages. Visit our YouTube channel or our website at www.olident.com to learn more about all OLIDENT products.